Was a little distracted because Dr. Do, hello, Dr. Do, one of our executive producers in the live stream, thank you for being here, said real quick in the live stream, AI search testimony is rocking Apple stock right now via Eddy Q. Apparently, in the U.S. versus Google case, there is some information that is being shared there.
Alphabet shares sink 8% after Apple's Q says AI will replace search engines. What?
Okay. Wow, that's all it took, huh?
God, the market is stupid.
Someone to say that it's going to happen, and boom, yeah, that has the that has the impact that it does.
So let's see, Google stock right now is
considering
down.
a major shift in its Safari browser, integrating AI-powered search engines. That prompted by the potential end of its $20 billion per year deal with Google that makes Google the default search provider on Apple.
Which again goes back to all the antitrust cases. Is there's tons of competition for search right now.
Indeed. And it's been one obvious choice for a very long time.
Yes.
And now the foundation around that is really transforming pretty rapidly due to all of the intense regulatory pressure coming from all directions. And so
but the funny thing is here, the one that's going to lose,
it's in the air.
The one that's going to lose revenue is Apple. You think their stock could be going down because Google paying them $20 billion a year? If Apple gets rid of Google search, which I think would be a mistake, but if they did, there goes $20 billion.